You guys, welcome back. So today is actually January 1st, New Year. So one sec. Oh, let me get my camera straight to. There we go. So today is actually January 1st, New Year. So happy New Year's 2020. I originally started to install the radio and installed it, I think 2 days ago or 3 days ago. I don't remember. I hope you guys all had a good New Year's. Was safe. Nothing bad happened. And, more blessings and all that good stuff coming into 2020, because I know for the channel, we're going to be rolling in with that fire. So, with the radio is done. It looks beautiful. This radio is amazing. You guys, I don't care if you get this Kenwood, a Pioneer, a Sony. If you have an older double din like I had, you need to upgrade. I highly recommend getting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So effective. I'm going to go through and show you guys everything about it. We're going to talk about it real quick, and then, you guys will be able to comment and tell me your opinions. Would you recommend this radio? Would you be interested in buying this radio, okay? I will have links for all these products down below, like always, in my description box, so that way you can check it out on Amazon. You can read reviews, yada, yada, such and such, okay? So let's go ahead and get this radio review knocked out. All right, you guys, so off the bat, this radio is extremely beautiful. The LCD screen, it looks like, I don't even know how to say it. It looks like a TV, pretty much. You can see right here, granted it's on camera, but you can see the vivid detail and the colors. It's a beautiful setup. It looks like something that should come factory in all vehicles. And you can get a $70,000 truck and it wouldn't even come with, the way that's all glowing and stuff. And you can do a custom background. So let's start going through some features. Let me show y'all why this radio is so cool. So off the bat, you got your traditional Bluetooth. So if I want the Bluetooth, I can play my Bluetooth. This radio has very good sound quality. I haven't even tuned it yet. I gotta tune the radio. So it's really good. I do have the steering wheel controls working correctly. I think I mentioned it before in the video. I don't remember. I had to call the company and get help with them getting the steering wheel controls set up. But as you can see, my steering wheel controls work. I can change the songs, all that good stuff. So we got our traditional Bluetooth where you can sync your phone. So I got my Android. You can sync your phone to the radio, play Bluetooth. If you hit the home button here, you can go home. And then from there, you can go to menus and you get a plethora of things. Okay, you got Spotify, Pandora, iPod. Who the fuck uses an iPod anymore? Sirius XM. This is Sirius XM compatible. I don't have Sirius XM because, you can get Pandora for free. And it's like the same thing pretty much. USB, AV. Okay, so with the audio video, what's cool about this, and mine is, I haven't figured it out yet. I'm going to though. I just don't know. If you put in a camera plug-in to the audio video in and outputs in the back, you have the ability to be able to look out your camera while driving. I had this option set up in my old truck I used to have, but I don't care enough to be willing to go through all that hassle just to get it to be good, you know what I'm saying? So we got that, and now there's a bunch of stuff over here, features that it's not even unlocked. Like if this car had it, climate control, parking assist, Bluetooth streaming, satellite radio, vehicle info. Like this radio was built in this is a 2019 Kenwood, you guys. So this radio is nothing short of what you would expect in a modern, 2019, 2020 vehicle. You can equip, if your vehicle has parking sensors, it has a wire on the back to where you can install that cable to the parking sensor wire on your vehicle, so that way your parking sensors will work with the rear view camera. Okay, so we got all those features. Now you're probably wondering, like, okay, well, and then we got a radio here. So we got a radio there. It's good. Just turn that down. So yeah, so you guys probably wondering, well, what makes this radio so badass, Cam? And I'm like, okay, well, check this out. We got a little bad thing called Android Auto. Now, if I didn't have Android Auto on this radio, I would just tell you guys this is a basic radio. But this is what makes the freaking vehicle good. Now, the only thing with Android Auto is you will need to connect your USB to the radio.
Based and drive toward Lorraine Court.
Oh, she's already awake. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop into it real quick, you guys. So as you can see, when you initially connect your camera, or I'm sorry, your phone, you would have to go through the steps to set up Android Auto or Apple CarPlay for the radio. It takes like 2 seconds. Once you're done setting it up, you guys, every time you plug it in, I need to close this. Okay, boom. There we go. So, oh, sorry, it's blurry. Every time you plug up, it's gonna pull up Google Maps just like this. Super badass. I love Google Maps. I cannot stand Apple Maps or whatever they call it. That's why I don't even own an Apple. I'm not even an Apple fan, to be honest with you guys. My wife is, though, for some reason. So we got Google Maps. So if you want to go somewhere, it's pretty much just like regular Google Maps, you guys know. So if you're driving, and the cool thing is this has voice command on it, so I can hit this down here. Where is the nearest Piggly Wiggly's at?
Showing results for where is the nearest Piggly Wiggly's at.
Y'all see how that works? Super simple. And you be driving and you can do this stuff, man. It's freaking awesome. So if you want to get back to the home of Android Auto, you just got to hit that button down here. After that, whatever streaming music you use. I use Apple Music, okay? Because I used to have an iPhone when Apple Music came out and all my music was on it. I didn't feel like transitioning to Spotify or Play Music, so I just stayed with Apple Music. So with Apple Music, it no crap looks like how it would look on your phone. So you go to library, we can do recently added. And I mean, look at this, check this out. You know what I'm saying? And you know crap, you're just scrolling around, man, just checking stuff out. It's like legit. It's super responsive, very user friendly. It's super quick. I love this thing, you guys. I really do. I mean, I got full access. If I wanted to check out all my music, let's see, let's go back. We can go to artists. No, sorry, I hit the wrong button. We can go to artists, and I can see all, if I want to listen to some ASAP Ferg, you know what I'm saying? You can do it, man. It's legit. It really is. It's pretty cool. And my other radio had none of these features. Android Auto is what made this radio what it is. Not to mention, Kenwood did a very good job not making this radio super laggy and super, like, dull, you know what I'm saying? When you touch stuff, it's super responsive, you know? It's not all slow or nothing. It's like a cell phone. It's like a tablet, you know what I'm saying? So that's pretty cool. I really like that. You can do other things on here, too. Now, one thing you can't do out the box is video streaming, Netflix, Hulu, stuff like that. But I gotta do my research because I'm pretty sure you can mirror stream from your Android phone to these radios. I'm gonna figure out how to get that to work on this, because if that's the case, whatever shows on your phone can show on here. So if you're watching Netflix on your phone, you can flip all you gotta do is rotate the phone like this, and then next thing you know, you got the movie on your screen in here if you're driving, or you know, you're watching YouTube or something. Which you shouldn't be watching videos while driving, but if you got family, kids, like, you know what I'm saying? So definitely cool stuff. But other than that, man, I mean, you can go through the settings, mess around with it. I'm still very fresh with this radio. I'm not an expert by no means. You can do a lot of stuff, man. So if you want to exit, all you gotta do is hit exit. And then, well, let me show you guys this real quick. One thing too, a lot of you, my audio guys, if you're asking about in terms of features and about the speakers and stuff, like the EQs and whatnot, it's super good. So if we go here to, where's it at? I'm pretty sure it's, oh, I can't remember. Oh, there we go, audio. You have the built-in EQ. Freaking sick nasty. I have yet, like I said, you guys, I haven't messed with this yet. I have to download another app to my phone, because I have an app you can use to sync. You can pretty much tune your deck. So I'm going to download that app. If you guys want me to make a video on that, please comment down below. I would love to hear that. Now this is where things get freaky. You can do tons of stuff, you guys. You can do zone control. You can choose where the sound is going to be predominantly performed at, to positions. I mean, you can tell it like where you want to be at. where you want the sound to be at. Obviously your fader and balance, audio memory. I've never messed with that. I don't even know what that is. Sound effects. You got, you know, your typical bass boost, loudness. Let's see. Actually, I think I had that on low. You know, drive equalizer. So when you're driving, now this is going to be when you're driving, the volume goes up or down when you slow down. I don't care about that. You got a lot of features in here, man. A lot of stuff. Volume offset, so you can adjust the volume offset per input. So, you know, let's say you want your radio volume to be higher than your USB audio, you know what I'm saying? But a lot of stuff, man. A lot of stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. It says January 2nd. I gotta change it, god damn it. But yeah, you guys, so that is it. That is a wrap, man. Now if you guys are wondering where did I put my USB cable, I just ran it right here. I no crap ran it back down, and then I kind of like slithered it out in here, and it actually looks really clean because when I unplug this cable, it's just that little piece hanging out, so that's pretty clean. But Android Audio, I'm probably always going to be using that from now on. Like, I'm probably never going to just use Bluetooth by itself unless I'm like driving super short. That is really legit, man. I'm super impressed with that. I cannot wait to experiment with this thing more. Alright, you guys, so hopefully you've stuck it out to the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Please, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up because you guys know how much it helps out the channel, and I'm extremely grateful for you guys. This radio is sick. I love it. I can't stop talking about it. Next is, you know, we got to get the subs in, put some subs behind there, get some beat. The quality of audio from this is really good. I thought the speakers I had in here were okay before because I had that old Pioneer in here. But when I put this head unit in, these speakers sound noticeably different. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if more power is being applied to them or what, but it definitely sounds more powerful, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? So, you guys, I'm telling you right now, you want to make sure you stay tuned within like the next couple days because I got parts behind here that I ain't gonna tell you what it is yet. Actually, you know, let me show you the box so that way you guys know I'm not bullshitting with y'all. So right here we got another box. We got a box here, and I got 3 boxes inside the crib. I'm not gonna tell you what that is. Comment down below, tell me what you think it is. First person who comments saying what it is, I don't know, I'll give you a cool looking emoji or something. But yeah, so that's all we got going on, you guys. So until next time, y'all take it easy, be safe. Peace out. Have a good New Year's. Happy New Year's to all y'all. I hope all you guys had a good time. And until next time, peace out.